In today's video, I'm going to teach you Is Cloudways Good? The brutally honest Reddit verdict. If you've ever searched for honest hosting advice, you've probably noticed how many review sites sound more like sales pages than real evaluations. That makes it hard to know what actual developers think, especially when performance matters and real traffic is on the line. So instead of relying on polished affiliate style recommendations, we're looking at the kind of feedback people share openly in developer communities. This gives us a much clearer picture of how Cloudways performs in the real world. The first big takeaway is that Reddit users consistently describe Cloudways as a major upgrade over traditional shared hosting. For people moving from slower budget hosts, the difference is often described as dramatic. A lot of that comes down to the fact that Cloudways gives you managed access to cloud infrastructure from providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. In plain terms, that means you get more isolated resources and stronger performance while still using a dashboard that's much easier to manage than doing everything manually on a server. Another point that comes up often is feature access. Users appreciate that useful tools like staging, Git integration, SSH access, and generous traffic handling are available without forcing you into an expensive plan just to unlock basic developer functionality. That's a strong plus if you build, test, and maintain WordPress sites regularly. Now, one of the most important warnings from Reddit is about server choice. The cheapest standard plans may look attractive at first, but many users report weaker performance when the site is under stress during plugin updates or when the database is busy. The common recommendation is to skip the standard tier and go with a premium server instead. According to user benchmarks, premium options can noticeably improve database write speed, which helps reduce delays in the admin area and can make tasks like publishing content or processing store activity feel much smoother. That said, the feedback is not all positive. A common complaint is support escalation. Because Cloudways acts as a managed layer over another infrastructure provider, complicated technical issues can sometimes take longer to resolve. Users also point out that offsite backups are an added cost. So it's important to factor that into your total monthly budget. And there's no native email hosting built in, which means you'll need a separate email solution. For smaller sites, Reddit users tend to recommend a 1 gigabyte premium server. For a typical business website or a growing online store, the 2 gigabyte premium option is often seen as the sweet spot. Larger servers make more sense if you're managing many low traffic client sites together. The safest final step is to use the free trial, launch a premium test server, migrate a copy of your site, and measure performance for yourself. That way, you're making a decision based on real results, not hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.